Welcome. Let's get your LinkedIn app ready to send voice messages by enabling microphone access. This quick guide works for both iPhone and Android users, and I'll walk you through every step. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon, usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps or App Management. On some Android devices, this might be labeled Applications or Installed Apps. Tap that. Now, it's time to find LinkedIn. Scroll through your app list alphabetically. It'll be under L for LinkedIn. If you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to type LinkedIn and jump straight to it. Tap the LinkedIn app icon to open its settings. Next, look for Permissions. On Android, this is usually a menu option near the top of the app's settings page. iPhones handle this a bit differently. You'll see a list of permissions like location, camera, and microphone right away. No need to tap a separate permissions menu. Here's where we adjust the microphone. Tap Microphone. It might show as allowed or not allowed, depending on your current settings. To enable access, select Allow or toggle the switch to the on position. On iPhones, the toggle will turn green when activated. Once that's done, exit Settings and open LinkedIn. Try recording a quick voice message to test it. Go to any chat, press the microphone icon, and hold to record. If you see a prompt asking for microphone access, confirm it. This ensures LinkedIn can use your mic. Troubleshooting tip. If the microphone still doesn't work, double-check that your phone's operating system is updated. Sometimes, outdated software can interfere with app permissions. And that's it. You're all set to send voice messages, record videos, or join audio-based features on LinkedIn. Need to revoke access later? Just follow the same steps and toggle the microphone permission off. Thanks for following along. Now go connect with your network in a whole new way.